Hello everyone. Welcome back. And today we're going to be continuing on focusing on step 7 on how to lose weight compassionately. And that is to exercise 3 times a week. We're diving deep, learning about the physiology behind exercise and how that affects hormones and factors within our body. Today we're going to be focusing on brain-derived neurotrophic factor. Now, this is written here on the whiteboard, and so it's also known as BDNF, so it's the abbreviation, or brain-derived neurotrophic factor. How does this factor play a role in everyday living, in our health, and more importantly, in weight loss? Well, it is responsible and plays a regulatory role in food intake. So with exercise, brain-derived neurotrophic factor increases, and this will cause a decrease in food intake. It's also going to play a role in the amount of energy that you spend. So energy expenditure will be increased. Okay, it's also well known for enhanced cognitive function. So enhanced cognitive performance. Okay, and the reason that you most likely get enhanced cognitive performance is because there's an increase in neurogenesis and neuroplasticity. Neurogenesis, I'll write it here. Neurogenesis is the generation of new neurons. So if you generate more neurons, you're going to increase your ability to be able to form new memories and to recall them more quickly. And neuroplasticity, so they're all going to contribute towards your cognitive ability. So neuroplasticity. And finally, it also plays a role in peripheral energy regulation. Peripheral energy regulation. Okay, let's just move this down a little bit because I think it might not be being captured. Let's see, yeah, okay, so we've got neuroplasticity, which is the ability of the brain to adapt and change to different environments. So for example, if you had a stroke and part of your brain has died, all the neurons within that area, and perhaps you lost function of some body parts, it may be possible that your brain, through neuroplasticity, other parts of the brain might be able to compensate for that and help to regain some of that function. So brain-derived neurotrophic factor increases neuroplasticity and neurogenesis to perhaps increase your cognitive performance. So, and next week we're going to be looking in more detail at this same factor on how exactly brain-derived neurotrophic factor decreases your food intake and increases your energy expenditure. Until then, have a great week and I'll see you next time.
And don't forget to like and subscribe down below.